Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Are you looking for a cocktail to wow your guests during this holiday season when you're entertaining that you can batch, whether it be for an open house or for a dinner? Ooh, yeah! Then we have a great option for you. The Christmas Ornament Aperol Spritz. It's that classic Aperol Spritz that you know and love, but with a slight twist to it that is sure to wow your guests. And this is not a cocktail you'd make just for yourself. It's something that has a little bit something extra for the holiday season. The first thing we're going to do for our Christmas Ornament Aperol Spritz is build our ornament. You're going to start with your raspberry juice, which is going to be 1 clamshell of raspberries, 2 ounces of water, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can either hand muddle it or you can put it into a blender. Now, this is going to yield enough juice for 2 to 3 cocktails, so depending on how many people you have coming over, adjust accordingly. We're going to fill up that ornament halfway with our raspberry juice, and then we're going to fill up the other half with Aperol. Once you've built your ornament, you can put the cap on it and set it aside. And you can get these at any craft store or Michael's. Next, you're going to take the glass of your choice. In this case, we're utilizing a margarita glass. We're going to fill that with Prosecco, about 60% full. Now you're going to place your ornament in one side of your glass and a sprig of rosemary on the other side. And this is how you'll initially serve your cocktail. Your guests can then take the ornament out and add as much or as little raspberry and Aperol combination as they like. And there you have the Christmas Ornament Aperol Spritz. It's fun, it's easy drinking, and it has a fun component to it that I think your guests are going to love. They can also adjust as they go along, adding more raspberry and Aperol, or add a little bit more Prosecco. Try it out and let us know what you think. Thanks so much from Drinks Made Easy, and happy holidays. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, especially if you have any questions or there's cocktails that you'd like to see on the show. Since it is the holiday season, please be sure to drink responsibly as you're out and about catching up with your loved ones, because we don't want anybody ending up on Santa's naughty list. Unless you're into that sort of thing. And then go right ahead. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.